This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. Hang on one second. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, 21st of August. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, okay. Basically, what's happened in the last day on cryptos is nothing. We pulled back a little. That could be read a number of ways. We more or less held the daily middle band on Bitcoin, which is the only one that's broken above, but we'd have, of course, seen a bit of a pullback off the 50 DMA. We're still very much in the inflection point here. If Bitcoin loses the daily middle band again, we can go down. If it breaks up over the 50 DMA and converts it, then we're going up. Bigger picture, we're still in this larger overall bull flag, which I think we're likely to stay in. Shorter picture, obviously we've broken up slightly over this short-term bull flag with a target in the 62.7 area. We can go down first somewhat, maybe even retest this low, although that wouldn't be the second low of a double bottom. But bigger picture, this is likely to be going up. What matters is what happens in the short term. Ethereum is still holding the daily middle band as resistance, and we've still got nice looking head and shoulders here, although to be honest, we're now getting a little extended on the right shoulder and it is deteriorating. If we are going to see a breakdown from this, I'm really expecting to see that today. Absolute latest tomorrow. Any further than that, and there's no longer going to be a head and shoulders because the right shoulder will be too long, even if it hasn't broken out. That will increase the lean to the long side. Solana, still below the daily middle band. And we've still got a head and shoulders that has broken down and not failed. If this was a flag, little bear flag, then setting up a retest this low here at 136.12, then it has broken down. And we may well see a retest of that, but of course, when we reach that can of course be the second low of a double bottom and could of course take us up. It doesn't get us down to the overall inflection point. A breakdown with confidence, let's get getting down below 133, 132. That should be a good pointer that we've got a pretty good chance of reaching 119. I would love to see 119, mainly because I'm looking for a buying opportunity there. Doesn't mean, of course, that we're going to see it. All right, great. Just checking to see if we've got any questions. That basically is it today. On the for resistance, we have the daily middle bands, of which Bitcoin has broken over, but the other two are still staying firmly below. On the downside, we've got head and shoulder targets. We've got target down here on Solana in the 119 area. And on Ethereum, if we see a breakdown from this, and if that is a sustained break, then we would have a target, which would be, what would that be, 260? That would be at about the 2250 area. And that's a good way down. It's not back to a low retest, although it could potentially open a low retest, but it would be a significant move down and likely also would set up a buying opportunity on Ethereum, although for bigger picture reasons, I think Solana looks more attractive to the upside. One way or another, we're likely to resolve up afterwards. So this would likely be a pretty good buying opportunity. We shall see. My pleasure as always, Jenny. So anyway, I think that's a wrap, and we'll see how it goes today. But I think we're running out of time. If we are going to see that breakdown, it's got to be today or maybe tomorrow. But we're running out of time for it. If it isn't, then I'll be leaning towards the upside just because we're losing the patterns to the downside. So we shall see. All right, my pleasure as always, and I'll catch you guys later.